I think this meeting is very innovative. It's bringing everybody together from all over the world for us to learn from each other as far as our content, as far as our teaching style, and also as far as our inspiration of inspiring each other, but as well as our followers. The cool group is very important because I learned stuff from Hong Kong, I learned stuff from Brazil, I learned what works, what doesn't work, and it's actually, I think, a nice innovative group because it will inspire the younger generation who's coming within the next 5 to 10 years as far as how the digital portfolio of documenting your cases and making a digital CV can help not only your personal brand but also the whole dental profession. So I think it's very important. I think it's going to continue to grow.